around the country that are thinking, what does work mean to me? What's my career going to look like? And the fact that the things their parents are telling them aren't necessarily true any longer. And there's so much potential.
Never a perfect situation, never a set of circumstances that all align for you to press go. You just need to do it.
Main thing is you don't tell yourself you can't do it. You just go for it, because really you have nothing to lose at this age, and if you don't go for it now, then maybe in the future you have other responsibilities, maybe a family to look after. But now, like, you have nothing to lose. Just go for your dreams, and don't let anyone stop you, really.
The Nike slogan is just do it. It's not just think it.